For a yarn over between two knit stitches, after your knit stitch you're just going to bring this yarn to the front and then knit your next stitch. This creates another loop over the needle. For a yarn over between two purl stitches, you're just going to bring your yarn over the back of the needle and back to the front and then purl your next stitch. For a yarn over between a purl and a knit stitch, starting with my purl, I'm just going to let the yarn go across the back of my work and then knit the next stitch. So that creates that loop again. For a yarn over between a knit and a purl stitch, you're going to bring the yarn all the way around your needle and then purl your next stitch. Now when you knit your next row, you're just going to knit into these loops like you would any other stitch. Just treat them exactly the same as any other stitch.